everyone, welcome to this new playlist where we will be diving into the world of data structures and algorithms. Before we get into coding, solving and problems, I want to take this video to introduce you to what data structures and algorithms actually are and why they are so important. We will also talk a bit about why understanding them is crucial for becoming a better programmer and also cracking technical interviews. Let's start now. Why do we need data structures and algorithms? So why we should care about data structures and algorithms? The simple answer is that they make the programs more efficient. And efficiency is the key in programming, especially when you are dealing with large amounts of data or when speed is crucial. Let's break this down. If we are writing a program to search for a particular element in a list, how do we know if our solution is optimal? Could it be faster? Could it use less memory? This is where understanding algorithms and data structures comes in. By knowing different ways to store and process data, you can pick the best approach for the problem you are solving. For example, let's say you want to store the data that needs frequent search. A basic list might work, but search in a list and array is much slower than the hash table and binary search tree. They could provide much faster lookups. The choice of the data structure can significantly affect the speed and efficiency of the program.